How to verify a firm account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify a firm account. To verify your firm account, first of all, you will need to open your web browser on your device. Here I have opened my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, type in affirm.com. Now press the go button of your keyboard in order to search for it. You may also use the Affirm application on your device. Here, once you reach the official website of Affirm, here make sure you are logged into your account. You can tap on this login button at the top right, and then you can enter your email address and password to access your account. Also, if you don't have an account yet, you can tap on these three horizontal bars, and at the bottom you will be able to see sign up button. Tap on sign up, and then you will need to follow the prompts in order to create an account. You will need to use your phone number in order to create an account on Affirm. After that, you will be prompted for verification. Once your account has been created, if you are signing up or prompt for verification, you will need to enter your phone number and then click continue. After that, you will need to check your email or SMS for a verification code sent by Affirm. In my region, this is not allowed, so I am not able to proceed further, but you can simply follow the guidelines of this video in order to do so. Once you get the email or SMS verification code, you will need to input the verification code in the designated field and then proceed further. After entering the code, your account will be verified, allowing you to enjoy all the firm services. Also, if you are setting up a business account, you will need to provide additional information such as your business name and email. Also, ensure that you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for a smooth verification process. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your firm account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.